third step in the O-Shape production system is reducing waste and variation. We do that by visualizing the 8 wastes, understanding the 8 wastes, also creating logistics and success around keep it safe, keep it clean, keep it lean. Reducing waste and variation gives us calm predictability, gives us that drumbeat and that flow throughout our project. One of the ways we reduce waste and variation is actually understanding the 8 wastes. We start out with what we call the mother and father of all waste, and we talk about how one creates the next. So we talk about overproduction and excess inventory. Whenever we talk about our production line on site, we don't want to clutter it with overproduction and excess inventory. When we clutter the site with excess inventory, we create the next waste, which is wasted motion. We're constantly moving materials around so that the next trade can produce their work and carry out their scope. Wasted motion is also tied to wasted transportation. So when we're moving materials around, we're transporting them, we're not putting work in place, we're wasting time moving materials around. When we're moving materials around and transporting them around the job site, then it also leads to defects, which is another one of the wastes. We could damage the materials that are being moved around. We could also damage the finished product. So whenever we have defects, then that leads to extra processing. Whenever we either have to rebuild the damaged product or have to fix a finished product that was damaged, our skilled workforce is waiting and we're not utilizing the talent of the team. So that's the last 2 wastes. One of the tools that we use, and we are very strategic at developing the logistics around it with the project team, is our keep it safe, keep it clean, keep it lean visual aid. And it talks about work area readiness. When one trade is finished with the zone that they're working in, it's clean swept, it's ready for the next trade to come in. We're respectful for the guys that are following us up. And we talk about nothing touches the floor or ground. Our trash goes in gondolas, our materials are up on pallets, easy to move and transport around the job as needed. We talk about just-in-time deliveries. We don't clutter our job with that overproduction, with that excess inventory. We don't clutter the production line with extra materials. We produce materials and deliver them just in time. We talk about no trash hits the floor or ground. We make sure there's gondolas and trash barrels throughout the job so that we don't have trash cluttering the production line. And we talk about our cord management, again, just keeping things up off the floor, keeping it safe, keeping it clean, keeping it organized workspaces. Finally, we talk about expectations and accountability for all. So it also ties back to respect for people. We give everybody the opportunity to build their own success around keep it safe, keep it clean, keep it lean. How does this work and how does this make sense for each trade partner that comes on the site? We don't dictate this. We ask for their input on how they can be successful in executing keep it safe, keep it clean, keep it lean. 8 wastes, keep it safe, keep it clean, keep it lean. These are ways that we reduce waste and variation on our job sites.